Yeah. Hey, man. I come from a long way. Yeah.
Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia, YouTube. And it's a cold, cold, cold day here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, YouTube. It really hasn't warmed up all day here, so we're out here in our house on the greenhouse here, YouTube. We've had the heat on in here since like about dusk yesterday. It really, after that rainstorm came through yesterday, it really cooled things off here. The temperatures dropped way down, but here in our high tonal greenhouse, YouTube, here in our high tonal greenhouse, the current ambient inside temperature is a balmy, YouTube, a balmy 74 degrees in here, YouTube. This high tonal does a fantastic job of keeping things in here toasty, and that little fan heater we have going on over there, a little small space heater, it's a garage type heater, really does a fantastic job of keeping things comfortable in here inside our high tonal greenhouse during the colder days here, YouTube. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys, YouTube, and show you guys the subject of what this evening's video is about, YouTube. We actually recently acquired a total of three Christmas cactus, YouTube, and they were given to us by one of our local followers here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. Actually, one of our neighbors here gave these to us a few weeks back, YouTube, and just in time, YouTube, just in time for the holidays, our Christmas cactus has now come into blossom, and it's a spectacular, beautiful thing over there, YouTube. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys and show you like what we have growing on with our three Christmas cactuses, again, that were gifted to us by a neighbor, and we can't thank them enough for their generosity to our channel. They really are always reaching out to us, always giving us something, offering us something. We kind of share things back and forth, you know. I give to them, they give to me, you know, so it's one of those things where it really balances out, YouTube. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys just how spectacular our three Christmas cactuses look as they begin to come into blossom for us here, just in time for the holidays, YouTube. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, we are indeed back, YouTube. We are indeed back, and YouTube, we're going to get down here low to where we have our two containers with our cactus located in YouTube, and show you guys exactly how spectacular these cactus can be as they come into blossom. I mean, who would ever have thought that a cactus would actually produce such a gorgeous blossom, YouTube? But take a look at this. This first container, YouTube, contains two different types of Christmas cactus, YouTube. One of them is a red Christmas cactus, and the other here is a white Christmas cactus, and they are both, YouTube, they are both coming into blossom at this time. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Isn't that a spectacular blossom on this Christmas cactus, YouTube? As you can see, it is loaded. Virtually every limb on this thing is loaded with blossom, so you can look forward to seeing this spectacular splash of color here in our high tonal greenhouse for the next several weeks at least, YouTube. And accompanying this red Christmas cactus in our container here, YouTube, we also have a bam white Christmas cactus, YouTube, that is indeed also in blossom. And take a look at this, YouTube. Isn't it lovely? Isn't that a lovely blossom here on this Christmas cactus, YouTube? We couldn't possibly be more pleased by the fact that these were given to us, first of all, but secondly, that they were given to us at a point where they were about to come into blossom. And that's what was my neighbor's intention. She told me that she really didn't want me to have these cactuses until she was sure that they were actually going to blossom out for me here. And oh my God, I cannot possibly thank Melissa and Grant enough for gifting my channel with these lovely Christmas cactus here, YouTube. Cannot thank them enough. Next to those, YouTube, we have our pink another variety, our pink Christmas cactus YouTube, and it is just now coming into blossom. I posted a picture of the first blossom on this Christmas cactus here on our community tab YouTube, and a second blossom has opened up on this particular cactus, and take a look at this YouTube. Wow. Isn't that spectacular, YouTube? It's not quite fully open yet, YouTube. It should be. By this time tomorrow, it should be fully open, YouTube. But nonetheless, YouTube, as you can see, this thing is loaded all the way around, YouTube, with those blossom buds there, YouTube. So again, for the next several weeks at least, we can look forward to coming out here on a daily basis, YouTube, and enjoying this spectacular splash of color here in our high tonal greenhouse. Yeah, YouTube. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Our pink, white, and red Christmas cactuses. And they are indeed in blossom for us here in our high tonal greenhouse, YouTube. And we couldn't possibly be more pleased with just having such a spectacular addition of color here inside of our greenhouse during the fall and winter months, YouTube. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on our 3 varieties of Christmas cactus and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to hit that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Our Christmas cactuses, just in time for the holidays. Thanks for watching.
Out there trudging every day.